Welcome friends in the PPT lectures of the subject Fundamentals of Power Electronics conducting by Professor L.B. Chaugule working as a HOD of Electrical Engineering Department in Brahmadev Mane Dada Polytechnic, Belati, Solapur. Today we are going to see the subjects of Fundamentals of Power Electronics, in which the first chapter is the Power Electronic Devices. In the last lecture we have seen the first 2 points. In this second lecture we are going to see the IGBT, insulated gate bipolar junction transistor, its construction, working principle, VI characteristics and its uses. Next point is the concept of single electron transistors. In the last lecture we have seen the BJT. BJT means bipolar junction transistor. This bipolar junction transistor operated on a current control, having the advantage of low on state power dissipation, but it cannot switch at faster rate due to the longer turn off time. And also the drawbacks of the BJT is the because of the high current, collector current, so there is a more power dissipation, and because of there is a secondary breakdown happened in this way. So because of the secondary breakdown the device may get damaged. Second is the MOS APT. MOS APT is the voltage controller device having the switching frequency is high more than the BJT, but the power MOS APT can be switched at a higher frequency, but the drawback is higher on state power loss. So both the BJT and the MOS APT having the some disadvantage. So the insulated gate bipolar transistor is invented and having to overcome the all the BJT and the MOS APT drawbacks. So the IGBT, that means insulated gate bipolar transistor, having the low on state voltage drop, low on state power losses, it has higher switching frequency than that of the power BJT. The IGBT has the best quality of the BJT and the MOS APT. Next point, this is the structure of IGBT. The structure of IGBT shows the vertical cross sections of the N channel IGBT. The vertical cross section area maximizes the area available for the current flow. This reduces the resistance and hence on state power losses. The doping levels used in the different layers of IGBT are similar to those used in the vertical MOS APT. The structure except for body region. The additional P plus layers forms the drains of IGBT. The IGBT with buffer layer are termed as symmetrical IGBT, whereas without buffer layer are termed as asymmetric IGBT. The IGBT combines the advantages of BJT and MOS APT. Next point is the VI characteristics of IGBT. The VI characteristics of IGBT are as shown in the figure. In the forward direction, they are similar to those of the logic level bipolar transistor. The only difference here is that controlling parameter is a gate to source voltage, that means VGS, and the parameter being controlled is the drain current. Thus, IGBT is a voltage controller device with a insulated gate. The drain current increases with the increase in the VGS at a constant voltage of VDS. That means voltage drain to source voltage. The IGBT possesses all the advantages of MOS APT due to the insulated gate. It also has all the advantages of BJT due to bipolar conduction. This is the comparison between the BJT, MOS APT and IGBT. As early I have told you, the BJT is the current control device, MOS APT is a voltage control device, the IGBT is also voltage control device. The input impedance of the BJT is low, MOS APT is high, and IGBT is high. The switching frequency that is called as also called as a speed is slow of BJT, faster MOSFET, and middle as a IGBT. Also, the frequency of the BJT is only 10 kilohertz and the MOSFET is 100 kilohertz and IGBT is moderate frequency of the switching frequency. Next one is the single electron transistor. In single electron transistor is a 3-terminal switching device which is the effect of Coulomb blockade can be observed. The operation of SET is based on the intrinsic quantum phenomena which is known as tunnel effect. The tunnel effect is observed when two metallic electrodes are separated by an insulating barrier known as a tunnel junction. The 3 terminals of SET are named as drain, gate and source as shown in the figure. These 3 terminals can transfer electron from source to drain one by one. Working principle of SET. The tunneling junction is defined as the insulating barrier between two conducting electrode, that means source to drain. According to the quantum mechanism, there is a possibility of the electron to cross the barrier or tunnel junction and reach the other side. Thus, the electron will transfer to quantum dot from source to drain. This process will charge the neighboring quantum dot. This result in the increase in the electrostatic energy. This energy known as a Coulomb blockade energy. This Coulomb blockade energy is actually the repelling energy of the previous electron present in the iodine to next electron coming from the iodine. Due to very small capacitance of C, the iodine of the tin single electron transistor, the blockade energy is very large. Therefore, the electrons cannot move simultaneously but pass one by one. In this way, the Coulomb blockade energy is responsible for suppression of simultaneously transfer of the electrons. This is known as a Coulomb blockade. This is the animation working of the single electron transmitter. Here the island gate terminal, source terminal and the drain terminal. The positive supply is given to the gate terminal and the source where the electrons are coming into the Coulomb, where the one by one electron given transferred from the source to drain. Next is the VI characteristics of single electron transistor. The VI characteristics of SET as shown in the figure. For voltage less than VT, the SET current is 0. This state is called as the Coulomb blockade, in which tunneling of the electrons does not take place, but as soon as voltage V is greater than or equal to VT, then Coulomb blockade removed and current start to flowing, which is proportional to the externally applied junction voltage V. The advantages of SET: low energy consumption, compact size, high sensitivity, high speed operations. Thank you very much.